In this video, I am going to solve for x. To solve for x, I just need to get rid of the radicals, and so in order to do so, I'm going to add square root of x to both sides. That is going to give me the following on the left: square root of x plus 3. Positive square root of x, negative square root of x cancel out, and on the right hand side I will have 1 plus square root of x. Now I'm going to square both sides again. Square both sides. So on the left square root is going to cancel out. X plus 3 is equal to, now to simplify this I need to use the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can use this or just multiply it out and FOIL it. Either is fine. In my context, a is 1 and b is square root of x. This is the perfect squares formula. So it's going to be a square, meaning 1 square. So this is this. 2ab, 2 times a is 1, b is square root of x, plus b square. So sorry, this is b square, square root of x whole square. So x plus 3 is equal to 1 square is 1 plus 2 times 1 is 1 times square root of x plus square root cancel out, that gives me x. Now please note there is a positive x on the right, negative x on the right, so I can cancel those out. That's gonna give me the following: 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 times square root of x. Now I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and that's going to give me 2 is equal to 2 times square root of x, because negative 1, positive 1 cancel out. Now I can simplify it a little bit more by dividing both sides by 2. I can divide it by 2, divide it by 2. That's going to give me 1 on the left, and on the right is going to be square root of x. Now again, to solve for x, I need to square both sides of this equation. So that's going to give me 1 on the left and on the right x, because square and square root are going to cancel out. So my solution, I'm claiming to be x is equal to 1. As it turns out, this is in fact the solution. So if I take this value and plug it into the left hand side of this equation, does it evaluate to 1? It does, you will see. So for instance, x plus 3 square root minus square root of x is equal to square root of 1 plus 3, because my x is 1, minus square root of 1, which is going to give me square root of 4 minus square root of 1, which is square root of 4 is 2, minus square root of 1 is 1, which is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Exactly what I have on the right hand side. So the solution I found is in fact solution to this given equation. However, keep in mind, sometimes you can easily devise equations like this one that do not have solutions. So you want to make sure that you check or verify your solution, the x value that you get, by plugging that back into the equation and simplifying it and making sure that both sides of this equation evaluate to the same thing. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.